how I wash my family of 10 color clothes. So y'all, first I pour as much detergent as I want to in the clothes. I am washing my kids' clothes, so I put extra detergent in their clothes. I put vinegar, yes, vinegar in the middle of the where the fabric softener supposed to go. And this is the laundry detergent I'll be using this time around. I normally use Tide, but I had this on hand, so this is what I use. I do put the clothes this particular load on hot water. I do wash it in deep rinse, and I do put it on a bulky wash. This is a water saver wash machine, so I have to put it on there just so it can fill up enough to wash the clothes. And this is what the clothes is looking like. Yo, them clothes was dirty. Yes, I use vinegar to make sure all detergent is drained from the clothes. It works for me, so it's a win. This is the renting of the clothes. I was so mad because my son left Pokemon cards in his pocket. So the clothes start to look horrible. Look like it was all over the clothes. I had to get a lint roller after the clothes dried and roll the